What's up, everybody? So today we got a little bit of a different video for you. Recently I ordered some custom jet tags with Clutch & Company's logo on it, and today we just got the box. So it's from BHL, which is a Chinese company. It's from Hong Kong, from Alibaba. So we're gonna see how these look and if they look good. So first I only ordered 5 of them, just as samples. If they look good, then we will be ordering more and they will be going live. So if you like them, let me know down in the comments section below, and I can make sure to get one on hold for you. But let's go ahead and break into it and see what we got. No, we're gonna actually use it. So this is what it looks like. One thing that I do wish that it was a bit quicker. All these things okay. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. I don't know. Not really exactly what I mean, so we've got 6 total. So I mean, let's go ahead and pop it on the first item here. Just see how it looks on the keychain itself. So one thing I will be doing with these tags, and I've already got it planned out, is that I'm going to be getting the logo in basically block letters so you can read it better and so we can utilize the whole space on the tag. I think it's cool how we actually have the actual logo on there, but I want to be able to utilize as much as this tag as possible, due to the fact that I'm paying for these tags. But I mean, I don't know. Y'all tell me what you think, and just let me know what you think down in the comment section below, and if y'all want one, also let me know. I will be ordering more once I get the final product, but this is just a sample product. And I'm thinking, actually, you know, if y'all have any other color ideas, I'm thinking about doing red and black, red and white, so white lettering on a red tag. I don't know, it looks pretty cool. I think they're great quality. So just see where we go with this, and I'll keep y'all updated. Just make sure to follow my Instagram, my Instagram and Facebook page, which I will link those down in the bio below. But that is my review for the new jet tags, and if y'all make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, it really helps keep the channel going. It really helps me also personally.